Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two security cameras that are ready to guard your home. On the left, we have the UPULTRA Security Camera, and on the right, we have the Cinnado Security Camera.
It's time for some serious surveillance smackdown.
Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The UPULTRA Security Camera comes in at $59, while the Cinnado Security Camera is a steal at just $24.
That's right, folks. You can save some serious cash with the Cinnado camera and still get top-notch security.
Ding ding! Cinnado takes the first round. Next up, installation.
The UPULTRA camera claims to be wireless and easy to install. You just need to connect it to a regular light bulb base and set it up through the app. Well, that sounds convenient.
On the other hand, the Cinnado camera also boasts an easy setup process.
No extra installation steps required. It's a tie, folks. Both cameras make installation a breeze.
Now let's talk about the most crucial aspect, video quality.
The UPULTRA camera offers HD 1080p resolution, providing you with a clear vision at all times.
But wait, the Cinnado camera steps it up with crystal 2K resolution.
That's right, folks. You can monitor your pets or babies in super clear detail. Cinnado delivers a knockout punch in the video quality category.
Moving on to motion detection.
The UPULTRA camera has a highly sensitive motion sensor that records moving pictures and sends real-time alerts through the app. But hold on, the Cinnado camera not only detects motion, but also comes with a built-in siren to scare off any uninvited guests. Talk about a double whammy. Cinnado wins this round with its smart motion detection and push notifications.
Let's have a conversation about two-way audio.
The UPULTRA camera allows you to have a chat with your visitors using its built-in microphone and speaker.
But guess what?
The Cinnado camera takes it up a notch with smooth two-way audio that lets you easily communicate with your family and pets through the app.
Sorry, UPULTRA, but Cinnado wins this round too.
Time to talk about storage options. The UPULTRA camera supports remote viewing and can store recordings on your phone.
However, the Cinnado camera offers both SD card and optional cloud storage.
You can choose to record every detail with the SD card or enjoy a 30-day free trial of cloud storage. Cinnado gives you more flexibility, so they take this round as well. Last but not least, smart home compatibility.
The UPULTRA camera doesn't mention any integration with Alexa or Google Assistant.
But wait, the Cinnado camera is compatible with both. You can easily view your live camera feed on a larger screen with a simple voice command. Cinnado scores big with this smart home compatibility feature. And there you have it, folks. The Cinnado Security Camera emerges as the winner of this epic showdown. With its affordable price, crystal clear video quality, smart motion detection, smooth two-way audio, ample storage options, and smart home compatibility, Cinnado proves to be ultimate home security camera.
But hey, if you're on a budget, the UPULTRA camera is still a solid choice. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that'll make your shopping decisions a breeze.
Stay smart and happy shopping, everyone.